In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send audio messages in Slack. Audio clips are a quick, friendly way to share updates when typing isn't ideal, perfect for explaining nuanced ideas, capturing tone, or communicating while you're on the move. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can record and send a clear professional message without any confusion. First, open your browser and go to app.slack.com, then sign into your workspace if you aren't already. You can do this on the web or in the Slack desktop app. The steps are essentially the same. If it's your first time recording, your browser may ask for microphone access. Allow it so Slack can capture your audio. A quick tip before you start: pick a quiet spot, speak at a steady pace, and keep the microphone a comfortable distance from your mouth to avoid distortion. Next, select the channel or direct message where you want your audio to appear. Choosing the right conversation keeps your message visible to the people who need it and avoids unnecessary notifications for others. Make sure you're in the correct thread or channel so your audio lands in the right place and the context is clear for your teammates. Now look at the message box at the bottom. You'll see an option to record an audio clip. This typically appears as a small microphone icon labeled for recording. Click it to begin. When you start recording, take a breath and speak naturally. Aim for concise sentences and consider mentioning any key details up front, like deadlines or decisions, so listeners get the most important information right away. If you stumble on a word, it's okay. Just keep your tone calm and keep going. Try to keep the clip reasonably short to respect your team's time. Once you're done recording, stop the recording to finalize your clip. Give it a moment to process and, if available, quickly review the playback to confirm that your audio is clear and the message says exactly what you intended. If the volume seems low, speak a little closer to the mic next time or use a headset for improved clarity. When everything sounds good, click send. Your audio will post directly into the channel or direct message where teammates can play it right away, react with emojis, and follow up with questions or acknowledgements. That's all there is to it. Go to app.slack.com, pick the right conversation, record your audio in the message box, and send. With these simple steps and a few clarity tips, your Slack audio messages will be easy to hear, quick to understand, and more personal than text.